equals your asus N7400P won't turn on. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. When your asus won't power up, it often points to a dead battery, a faulty power adapter, or internal issues. Our skilled technicians will examine it thoroughly, providing the necessary repairs to get your device back to life. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.